Hello friends, welcome to our channel Aha Jindagi Tricky Maths. In this lecture, we will discuss some important types of problems which are asked in different types of competitive examinations on profit and loss topic. So one by one we will discuss. So first problem is the owner of a cell phone charges his customer 23% more than the cost price. So 23% is the gain percentage. Okay. If a customer paid rupees 7011 for a cell phone, so what is rupees 7011? It is the selling price of the cell phone. What was the cost price of the cell phone? So we have to find the cost price. So how we can solve this? See, gain percentage is given. So gain percent is given as 23%. Okay. And selling price is also given. Selling price is rupees 7011. Okay. And we have to find the cost price. So we know the formula to find the cost price when we know gain percentage and selling price. So the formula is cost price is equal to 100 divided by 100 plus gain percentage into selling price. Okay. So we have to substitute the values of gain percentage and selling price. So 100 divided by gain percentage 23. So 100 plus 23 will be 123 into selling price is rupees 7011. So cost price of the cell phone will be rupees. If we calculate this, we will get 5700. Okay, we will discuss next problem. So in next problem, what is there? A dishonest dealer. He professes to sell his goods at the cost price. Okay, he is saying that he is selling his goods at cost price, but uses a false weight. Okay, and instead of 1 kg, he is giving only 960 grams. So he is using false weight, and we have to find the gain percentage. So how we can solve this? See, if you have not seen the lecture of profit and loss, please visit the playlist and see the basic concepts of profit and loss lecture. Okay, so we know gain percentage can be calculated as error divided by true value or true value minus error into 100 percentage. Okay, so what is the error? See, instead of 1 kg he is giving 960 gram, so error will be 1000 minus 960, that is 40. Okay, so 40 is the error and true value is 1000 gram minus what is error, again 40, and we have to multiply by 100 percentage. Okay, so this will be 40 by 960 into 100 percentage, and it can be expressed as 41 by 6 percentage. Okay, so next problem is, see, in question number 3, a dishonest dealer sells his goods at 6.25% loss. Okay, so he is selling his goods at 2.65% loss on cost price, but again he is using false weight, and he is using false weight of 12.5%. Okay, so this much less weight he is giving, and what is his percentage profit we have to find. Okay, so when we remember the shortcut formula, we can easily calculate. So how we can calculate this? See, formula is gain or loss percentage, gain or loss percent is given by y minus x. So y is your this less weight what he is giving, that is error in weight, divided by 100 minus y, and x is your loss percentage, that is 6.25% into 100 percentage. Okay, so we can substitute the values and we will get the answer. When it will come positive, it will be gain, and when it is coming as negative, he will be in loss. So y is 12.5 minus 6.25 divided by 100 minus 12.5 into 100 percentage. Okay, and when you will solve, you will get 7 1 by 7, 7 1 by 7 percentage. Okay, and suppose you don't remember this shortcut formula, then how you can solve? So we will discuss second method. Okay, so in this what we have to assume the cost price. So let cost price of 1 kg goods, 1 kg goods be rupees 1. Okay, so selling price of, see, when he is telling that he is selling 1 kg, but what he is using false weight of 12.5 percentage. So he will give this much less percentage weight actual. Okay, so 100 minus 12.5% of 1 kg, that is 875 gram. 875 gram goods. See, selling price of 875 gram goods is how much? He is selling that he is making a loss of 6.25%. Okay, so it will be 1 minus 6.25% of 1. So it will be rupees 0.9375. Okay, 1 minus 6.25 by 100. Okay, you will get this much. So this is selling price of 875 gram goods. So selling price of 1000 gram will be how much? Of 1 kg goods will be rupees 0.9375 divided by 875, and we have to find 4000 grams. So this will be rupees 1 by 14. Okay, now this is selling price of 1 kg goods and cost price is rupees 1. So when we subtract, we will get the percentage gain. ठीक है, gain percentage. So what is selling price, then profit is equal to rupees 1 1 by 14 minus 1, and it will be rupees 1 by 14. Okay, so when we are expressing in percentage, so profit percent, it will be equal to rupees 1 by 14 divided by cost price. So cost price is 1 rupees into 100 percentage. So you will get 7 1 by 7 percentage. Now you can see this and this are same. Okay, so next problem is two-thirds of a consignment was sold at 5% profit. Okay, so someone is selling two-thirds of his goods at 5% profit and the remainder at 2% loss. That is one-third of his goods at 2% loss. And it is given that total profit was rupees 400 and we have to find the value of consignment. So how we can solve this? See, we can assume the value of consignment. Let value of consignment be rupees X. Okay. So how much will be cost price? See, cost price of 2 by third of goods equal to rupees 2 by 3x. Okay. And cost price of remaining goods. So remaining goods cost price will be 1 by 3x. Cost price of one third. So it will be rupees 1 by 3x. Now we have to find the selling price. So total selling price equal to, see, on this he is making a profit of 5% and this he is making a loss of 2%. So it will be 105% of 2x by 3 plus, since he is making a loss of 2%, so it will be 100 minus 2, that is 98% of x by 3. Okay, and when you calculate, you will get this as rupees 77x by 75. Okay, so how much is the gain? Gain equal to rupees, total selling price is 77 by 75x. So 77x by 75 minus cost price, and cost price is x. So it is, so gain will be rupees 2x by 75. Okay, therefore, but it is given that total profit was 400, so we have to equate this with 400. Therefore 2x by 75 is equal to 400, and from here we will get x equal to 400 into 75 by 2. So it is rupees 15,000. Okay. So we have to find the value of consignment, and value of consignment is rupees X. So our value of consignment is rupees 15,000. Okay friends. Next problem is, a retailer buys 40 pens at the marked price of 36 pens. So he is buying 40 pens at the marked price of 36 pens and he is selling at a discount of 1%. So this discount will be given on marked price and we have to find the profit percentage. Okay. So we can calculate the cost price, then we can calculate the selling price, and then we can easily find the profit percentage. So let the marked price, okay, of each pen be rupees 1. Okay, mark price of each pen is rupees 1. So cost price of 40 pens. Okay, how much it will be? See, he is buying at mark price of 36 pens. So it will be equal to mark price of 36 pens, and per pen mark price is 1. So it will be rupees 36. Now we have to calculate the selling price. See, he is selling at a discount of 1%. So selling price of 40 pens, okay. So marked price is rupees 1. So selling price will be 99% of 1 because he is giving a discount of 1%. So 99% of rupees 1, but total quantity is 40. So rupees 40, and this will be rupees 39.60. Okay, therefore we have to calculate the profit percentage. So profit percent equal to profit divided by cost price into 100. And what is the profit? See, profit here will be selling price, that is 39.60, minus cost price, that is 36, divided by cost price, that is 36 into 100. Okay, so it will be 3.6 divided by 36 into 100, and it will be equal to 10 percentage. So our answer will be 10 percentage profit. Okay friends, so in this lecture we have discussed some important problems on profit and loss. Okay, thank you.